Alright guys, look at this one. Alright everybody, this is the firework that we bought. I hope you can hear me. So this is firework called Infinity. Isn't this amazing guys? Whoa. Oh, what do you think of that, huh? Så jeg håber, I like that firework. Her. Nej, bare gør det næste. Du tager det næste. Ja. Jeg har gjort det, som du også. Alright. So now, you just saw that. Do you want to see it again? I think we should do it again, guys. Alright. So my dad is putting on the second one. So, let's see how it goes. Check this out, everybody. Great! Beautiful, right? Beautiful! Oh, and you get to see the other fireworks as well. Well, happy New Year, everybody! 2025. Yeah, you're gonna see a lot of videos from me next year. I can guarantee that. And yeah, that being said, the devil's out. See you in 2025, everybody.